Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix that your headphones automatically start playing or pausing the music. So, how to fix this issue? This issue is actually quite complex to fix because we've got here only the button, not touch controls, and we can't disable them. So yeah, and it's yes, only because of the buttons. If you see that these buttons are kind of like, I don't know, loose or put in, they are inside, you need to contact device support. If they are clicked or something like that, contact the device support. What actually can we do if we have this issue? The only thing that we can actually do is for performing a factory reset. Hold the power, this middle one, this multifunctional button, and volume up button simultaneously for 5 seconds to perform a factory reset while your headphones are turned on. This is the factory reset. This should fix your issue. If it didn't, you need to try pairing your headphones with a different device, different phone, I mean. Then you need to check if you still got the same issue. Maybe it's your phone issue. Check it out. And if this is your phone issue, you need to fix your phone. If this is your headphone issue, you need to contact device support to have it fixed, because we can't do anything in here. Bye!